This is the ice house that I mentioned that I would do after the Santa Fe Freight House was done, and I just kind of put the people on there. I printed the ice blocks. I looked on the web, and they said that they were pretty close to 1 foot by 2 foot by 4 foot long. So that's what I printed out, and since I used a clear PLA, I think they come out pretty good. Then I went through all my people, and I found about 12 different people that looked like they were having tools that would work the ice, and that's what you see them doing. Just I'm panning it so you can see it. So there's 12 guys on there, and I got lots of ice because I have another ice house over in St. Angela to do, but I think that came out pretty good. Now I'll show you the building, and I made my own signs. Found the one on the left on the web, and that's just a free GIF or clip art, I guess. And then City Ice I made in PowerPoint to get that using word art. So that's the one on that side. And the one on the front is a combination of a animal sliding along on ice and with the name, and that was just combined, a penguin. That's what happens when you get old, you can't remember words. But anyway, so a penguin sliding along on a block of ice, and I thought that would look neat combined. And then down at the bottom, we got the Union Station plant. And the building had been in a dark gray, and then I oversprayed it with kind of the white, and it kind of made it look nasty that way. And then I'd use a liquid dull coat over the top of that. And same thing on the roof. And then on this side, it's got the same City Ice and the snowman on that side. And then on the back side, it's the same as on this side. So the building, these two, that are 3D printed along with the ice blocks out there. This came off of another kit that was supposed to be an ice house that actually is too big for here, that I'm using it for cold storage in another building. So I figured, hey, I'll just take it, put it on this building. And then this came, I have no idea where I got that. So I says, well, that's the stairway exit to come up to work on this thing. So, but anyway, I really like that liquid dull coat made by Testers. I've not had good luck with the spray one for some reason. So, but that come out pretty good. I'm not putting any lights on this one because I did the people and stuff. But the one next to it's got all of those bells and whistles. So, but anyway, that's the ice house for Union Station. I still got to finish the bottom down here. I probably use the foam board. I got plenty of it. And do this whole area here underneath this building, under here, under this building, and then over here on that building. So it makes a nice asphalt road like I did over on the other side with those buildings. You can see the black over there. That's a black foam board. So, but anyway, that's where we are, and I'm now done with doing buildings for a while, and the next thing will be running trains again. Of course, I got to clean the track. See you next time. Bye.